So now let's see how we can toggle out sample overlay inside of Adobe Camera RAW. So over here you can see that I have this image opened up right now, and let's say I want to take a sample of the color that is there in this picture right here. In that case, what I can do is I can go around and toggle the sampler overlay layer right here. So once I do that, you can see that I can go around and click anywhere, and you can see that it gives me a sample of the CMYK, as you can see right here. I can also go around and click on, let's say for example, another sampler right here. So I can go around and click right here. I can go around and click on new sample and click, and then you get these sample colors as you can see right here. As I click on different spots, it gives me the CMYK values of those particular pixels that I actually took the sample of. You can also get RGB samples by going around and by changing around the settings. Right now, the color space that I'm using right now is CMYK. So if I were to go around over here onto, let's say for example, workflow and select Adobe RGB, let's say for example, then you get the RGB samples as you can see right here. So let me just go around over here and click on the sampler right here and click anywhere, and you can see that you get the exact RGB values of those particular sample areas. And that is how you can toggle sample overlay and use it inside of Adobe Camera RAW. So if you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share and subscribe.